Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning back into Griffzilla Garage. Today we're going to show you how to reset the perform service notification on the dash of a 2006 Jeep Commander. They didn't make these for very long. I guess there wasn't really a market for a $100,000 Jeep. Now the Trackhawk, that's a $100,000 Jeep. That is bad, man. You bust the tires loose on that bad boy. I tell you what, you get one of those, you be cruising by the high school. You know what I'm talking about. I'm just kidding. Let me show you guys how to reset that. Hey, before we get started, I need to get on part of the woke agenda. So I need to make sure that you guys know my pronouns. My pronouns are him, his, father, son, dad, husband, badass, and BAMF. That's BAMF. That's an acronym. You can look that up. So get your mask off. You can't catch COVID from a video. And let's show you how to reset this light. So hopefully you guys got your mask off. Go ahead and breathe clearly while you reset this light. Turn the key on. So we're going to hit the menu button 13 times. As we do that, pay attention to where it says language, and I almost said linguish. I guess the COVID got to me. Pay attention where it says language English. So look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, there we are. Here, you can move over and you can hit the step button and you can change where you'd like the service intervals to be. I like to do 3,000 miles. Once you do that, you come over to the CT button. It'll say reset no. You're going to say step to go to yes, and that's it. All right, so now that you got your perform service interval reset, hopefully you got your mask off so you can breathe clearly and freely. You're all set to go. We definitely appreciate if you would like and subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me out. I'd love to put more videos up. I really love getting the opportunity to share with you the knowledge I have. God's really blessed me, and I'm really fortunate. So if I can help you out, please ask questions. I'll do the best I can to answer them in a timely manner. If there's something you're interested in, please let me know. Thanks. I will see you next time.